Hey guys, Survival here. I've got a quick tip for you. When you've got important, special documents that you want to protect, these could be your birth certificate, your citizenship certificate, your marriage certificate, and any other very important, hard to replace documents. Maybe you should do something more than just put them in a safe location. Put them in a safe. Probably wondering, what do I mean? Allow me to demonstrate. To start with, consider using acid-free document pouches. These are made of mylar and are a great way to quickly protect your documents simply by inserting the documents into the pouches. However, the best solution by far is one of these. This is a fire-resistant document bag. It seals with hook and loop fasteners here at the top. There's a couple key things to know when using one of these fire-resistant document bags, and that is, first of all, you need to get acid-free tissue paper. Why do you need it? To act as a separator between the documents. The last thing you want are inks, stamps, or other features of documents causing themselves to either attach themselves to other documents or to transfer to other documents. So I recommend you use acid-free tissue paper as a separator between documents. Then carefully insert your documents into the pouch, fold the flap over and fasten it in place. A document pouch like this should then be placed into a safe, one that ideally has a fire rating. These pouches on their own will not guarantee fire protection of the documents contained within. What they do is help reflect heat and provide some more resistance to fire damage than you would otherwise have. The other benefit is these pouches allow you to very easily keep documents together in an easy to understand manner. So for example, one pouch could be your documents, another your partner's, another your child's. One could be for investments, one could be for your will. So remember, use either an acid-free mylar document sleeve or acid-free tissue paper with a fire-resistant document pouch in order to quickly, effectively and easily add some extra protection to those important documents of yours. And as always, stay safe in the bush.